Ever thought of a world where your personal chef is an AI? Imagine that for a moment. A realm where culinary delights are a product of algorithms and machine learning, where a digital maestro takes charge of your kitchen. The idea might seem a bit sci-fi, but it's closer to reality than you'd think. Artificial intelligence chefs are starting to sauté their way into our kitchens, promising to revolutionize not just how we cook, but how we savor our meals. Think of it, precise measurements, perfect timing, and an endless variety of dishes at your command. But let's not forget the human element. The art of cooking is steeped in tradition, in the spontaneous dance of flavors, in the creativity that comes with every flip of the pan. So, we've got a glimpse of a world where AI could be our personal chef. But how does this compare with the traditional way of cooking? You see, traditional chefs use their senses and intuition. They can improvise, create new recipes, and add a personal touch to their dishes. There's a certain magic in traditional cooking methods. Chefs adapt to different ingredients and conditions. They make do, they experiment. Every dish they prepare carries a piece of their personality, their creativity, their love for the art. Now let's bring AI-driven cooking into the picture. It's a world of precision, a world where consistency is key. AI chefs can replicate recipes down to the smallest detail, ensuring the same taste each time. They're efficient, cutting down on waste and optimizing the cooking process. But can they create a new recipe on a whim? Can they add that dash of love, that pinch of creativity? So while AI chefs can offer precision and consistency, they might miss out on the personal touch and creativity that human chefs bring to the table. Let's recap what we've talked about. We've delved into a world where artificial intelligence has donned the chef's hat, whipping up culinary delights with precision and consistency. We've explored how cooking, a craft traditionally steeped in human touch and intuition, is being reimagined through the lens of technology. We've compared and contrasted good old-fashioned cooking with AI-driven cooking, highlighting the unique strengths and weaknesses of each. On one hand, traditional cooking carries with it the charm of human creativity, the joy of experimentation, and the warmth of a home-cooked meal. On the other hand, AI chefs promise precision, consistency, and the ability to recreate complex recipes to perfection every single time. We've also touched upon the potential implications of this shift in the culinary landscape. Will it make cooking more accessible, or will it take away the joy of cooking? So, will AI chefs replace human chefs in the future? It's hard to say, but one thing is for sure. The culinary world is about to get a lot more interesting.